When the country now in full panic mode after news of possible cases of the new coronavirus being here in Jamaica, we see the under pressure Minister of Health, Dr. Christopher Tufton, saying he's prepared to stop the Jamaican athletes from competing at the upcoming World Indoor Championships scheduled for China in March. And after hearing that the virus is possibly here in Jamaica, who could have a problem with what Dr. Tufton said? I mean, I will be surprised if the governing body, World Athletics, don't cancel this event altogether or at least change the host nation. I mean, as big as China is and as concentrated as the spread of this virus is in a particular area, all it takes is for one or two people jump on a plane for a few hours and the coronavirus is on the other side of the world. And this is still very much a mystery, incurable, and deadly virus. And it was always better to be safe than sorry. What's the value of the World Indoor Championships anyway? It is nothing but a preparation meet. So any athlete who start grumble, say they want to go and blah, 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 make them go on. But tell them, don't come back. So you're right on this one, Dr. Tufton. Not sure about the no suspicion of the coronavirus. Yes. From your set, there is no suspicion of the virus being here, doctor. You realize? So the big earthquake shook.